Another area of importance for when it comes to positioning yourself for greatness is to strengthen your mind. We call that mental toughness. Why is mental toughness so important? Because it takes a strong mind to handle change. Having a strong mind helps you to get in the right position to meet greatness. Life is full of ups and downs, disappointments, failures, obstacles, and stumbling blocks. Trust me when I tell you that you will need to be mentally tough to overcome and conquer some of the hurdles life will throw your way. You have the ability to control your actions. You have the ability to make things happen. I heard someone once say that whether you believe you can or you can't, you're right. Have you ever tried to catch a pop fly while playing baseball? The only way that you are able to catch the ball is to first align or position yourself to catch the ball. If you aren't in the position to catch the ball, I don't care how nice you look in your uniform, I don't care how many fans have come to watch you play, if you don't align yourself or position yourself, you will never catch the ball. In order for you to position yourself for greatness, you have to develop mental toughness. Some people might call it having thick skin. One of the first things you must do to position yourself for greatness is what is called attraction and action. The core of attraction is defined like this. Wherever you tend to place your thoughts, your feelings, your energy and intention typically defines what you create in your life. Finally, another way that you can position yourself for greatness is through personal growth and development. Always be willing to learn and invest in your education. That may not mean going to a formal school and enrolling in classes, but it may mean that you should read more, study more, research more, and explore more. How would you ever know what's out there if you never invest in finding out? The same goes for your dreams in your quest for greatness. Learning is the single best investment of our time that we can make. Learning should be an ongoing thing all the time. No matter how much that you learn, find ways to learn more. Education is one of the few things that can never be stolen from you. Put yourself in position for greatness by expanding your mind with greatness. Experts suggest that if you are investing in the 5-hour rule, they consider you to be irresponsible. So what is the 5-hour rule? The 5-hour rule states that you should read for at least 1 hour per day during the work week. This will give you a total of 5 hours read by Friday. All the heavyweights are doing it. So there must be something to it. Former president of the U.S., Barack Obama, was considered the busiest man in the world, but still invested in reading for 1 hour per day. Warren Buffett, considered the best investor in history, would still read for 1 hour per day. Bill Gates, considered the richest person in the world, still reads for 1 hour per day. Do what others won't, so you can do what others can't. You want to have the lifestyle that others can only dream about? You've got to learn something that others don't want to learn. You want to change the world in a positive way? You've got to learn something that others don't want to learn.